Hello, hello, this is Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. You can see my name on the package. This is an unboxing or a package opening from my health and wellness program that I just got into, and it's growing very fast and paying very fast. If you want to learn how to pay $30 to become an affiliate for this program here for the health and wellness products, pay $30, become an affiliate, and I only paid $14, which includes the shipping for this product. So I'm going to open this in just a minute, and I also want to include my other program that I'm involved with. I got 2 boxes of, there's 200 postcards in each box here. I want to open this and talk about the postcard program where you get free postcards. So you can see it was shipped from Georgia. I covered up the company address. It says shipping department, and I covered up my address. And this is another thing. You see all these stamps? These are postcard stamps. A lot of people don't even know postcard stamps exist. Postcard stamps are cheaper. If you're mailing postcards, you want to use postcard stamps. Otherwise, you're wasting money because envelope stamps are a lot more. So I get free stamps because I'm in stamp clubs. These stamps came free to me, and I got books and books of these. I got a lot of my boxes in storage, but I have a whole bunch of these little postcard stamps and envelope stamps that I get for free because my downline members joined the stamp club flyer or the postcard program, and part of the getting into the program is sending your sponsor stamps. So I get stamps, envelope stamps, and postcard stamps. But this one, there's 5 different ways to get paid from this company. And I'm going to have my son open the package right now so we can see it. I don't want this video to be too long. So my son's not going to talk, but he's going to just open this for you. Sometimes my son wants to get attention and he takes over the show. So he's not going to talk. He's going to be a good boy, right? He's nodding his head. But that's an only child for you. They're always trying to get involved. He loves people and he makes a lot of friends. Everybody falls in love with him. So let's take this out. But I don't want to show all the... Don't bring the paper out because that's the invoice, and I don't want them to see certain things. I'll take the scissors and cut that tape. Please. So this is one of the products. That particular day I spent a lot of money, so I was taking it easy. I had like 3 or 4 products. These products are amazing. This is heavy. There is, how many in the bottle? How many does it say? It says, I think it says, does that say 60 or 90? 60 gummies. These are for sleep. They got melatonin and other things. Sleep aid, natural sleep aid, and calming and relaxing. But this thing is heavy. It was only $14. It was $12 and something on the website. And then a couple bucks for shipping. There ain't no program that you're going to find that has products with this low price. Plus, when you're an affiliate, you get 40% commission. When you're a free member, you get 20%. But you can't sign people up and earn money if you're not an affiliate. It's only 30 bucks, and you get $25 every time somebody upgrades to be an affiliate instantly to your back office, and it's global. As long as you have a Pay Quicker card, you can withdraw every day. Global. There's people over in Ireland and all over these other countries, Great Britain, England, all over the world in this program, and they're getting paid every day because of the Fast Start bonus. Plus, it's got a 100% match bonus. But anyway, I don't want to go too long in this video. So that's this product. I'm going to be ordering some more, and then I'm going to show you as I open them. I want to talk about these postcards here.
Okay, hello there. A little run through of this website that we have. Tremendous website. If you scan down the page, you're going to see some descriptions of who we are, what we're doing, our steps to success. You'll see videos on that. There's a video here. And then as you scan down, you come past our Q&A section. And then we have a contact bus, and you put in a ticket there. You can get started here. You can phone us if you like, leave a message, sometimes talk to someone. You can read the terms and conditions, who we are, etc. Reset your password, and look at our testimonials there. A little bit will show you how to submit a testimonial. And this is key here. Our ordering cart for our products around the world is unbelievable pricing. And you can go page by page by just selecting down here. Very nice shopping cart. You're familiar with Amazon and all of that, but you just click on an item, and you'll be able to see the pricing. And if you want to get the item on a 30-day auto ship, it's a much cheaper price. Of course, you can cancel that at any time. You would just select the subscriber item here. If you want to manage your subscription, change it or cancel it, there's a button right there to do that. And you'll be adding product by product. Works like any kind of a thing, and you can click on here and take a look at the ingredients, and click on a larger view of the bottle itself. So then you just, like any shopping cart, you just go to the next page, and that's going to bring you up to your viewing your cart, brings you back to the same page, but you're going to view your cart, see what you have in there, and of course you can be adding 2, 3, 4, 5 items in the cart. And before you ever pay, you're going to know what the shipping, very, very low cost on shipping. It's amazing. It's like $4 or $5 on our product, adds only another $1 to get 2 products, another $1 to get 3 products. I mean, it's amazingly economical shipping. And then you just proceed to the checkout, and you're going to fill in the shipping address and things like that when you get there. And then you're going to put in your credit card information. And then you're going to go to the next page to confirm that everything is okay and you're good to go. Now, members of the public can hit the affiliate tab if you want to see some other videos on what we're up to and some information on the pay plan. And so the way to see some other videos about what we're up to, you come to the tools here and you hit the videos. And that's a very important thing to know, because you want to see some tutorials on what the tutorial you're looking at now. And then how our subscription program works, a little video, and how our co-op works, how our automatic sign-up system works, and then how our pay plan concept works with a couple videos there, and then some videos on the various videos on the product right there. And of course, this is where you come to submit a testimony. You click that. Here's where a person can sign up for the newsletter. And then our promotional center is where you get what a lot of companies charge extra for. We don't. We include it in your $30 business builder requirement every month. You get a capture page system with autoresponders, and those get listed in this stats tab that you can look at after we sign in. So if you were to hit the stats tab here, then it would ask you to log in. We'll do that so we can take a look at what that looks like. So we logged in with our test account here, and you get a little message here to review. It talks about our $30 monthly business builder requirement to be an active affiliate. To get the when people order the product, you get a 20% of their commissions, as you have seen there. A tremendous, easy program to explain. And then every affiliate who joins you, you get $25 business builder bonus. That's a lot of money. And the person is placed into your 2x10 matrix. Let's take a quick look at that pay plan tab just to give you a feel for that and how the matching bonus, 100% matching bonus, and what the matrix looks like. If you look at this video here, so this is where the matrix is. We can expand the view of that here, and that is, okay, we'll expand the view of that, and that's $5,150 a month in a 2x structure, and you start making this money even without sponsoring anybody. But the only thing is, in order to get your money over the $30 to withdraw it, you need to have sponsored 2 affiliates, so that helps the whole thing fill. And to get the 100% match of that of every personal, then you have to sponsor a total of 4, but you get a 50% match of that when you sponsor 2. That's the whole pay plan. It's amazing. So it's an unlimited 2x10. You'll see that in some of the videos in more detail. Unlimited 2x structure. Now let's go back over here to the stats tab. And this is where you can see your money growing every month. This is just a test account here. But this shows your matrix income, your matching income. And if you come down here, you'll be able to see various people on various levels in your matrix. And you can click on the direct sales here and see all of the 20% commissions you're making from the direct sales. And when you come down here and look at the matrix, you'll see the numbers on each level here on your matrix income. And then when you're ready to withdraw, once you have your 2 affiliates, you can withdraw your money, anything over $30, and you hit your withdraw button down here, and that will trigger an application for our daily pay Visa debit card. So it's daily pay as your account balance is increasing. Just fill out that card. You can link the debit card, use the debit card just like you would any other debit card. And of course, if you want to submit testimonials, it's there. Apply to the newsletter, it's there. Promotion zones for your capture pages. And then all the leads get autoresponders, and they will appear. It's not programmed right now. In the next day or so it will, but you'll be able to see all the people who have filled out that capture page, and they're automatically sent your site, and you'll have them in a list so that you can contact them. Companies charge for that a lot of money, but that's included in your $30 business builder requirement with this amazing economical system here. One last word on the shipping is just sort of amazing, short of amazing. 25 international, 25 items, $49.95 flat rate shipping, unbelievable. And if you get together with a group or a few people there or yourself, you order $200, it's 40% discount plus that kind of shipping, international. It can't be beat. And to see other information, postings, and tips, go to a site we have called